Well, good evening, Campfire crew. This is Tony and Stella. Stella's right there, checking in from the lodge. So today is Valentine's Day, so I want to say happy Valentine's Day to everybody. By the time this video comes out, it'll probably be tomorrow or maybe Monday, but happy Valentine's Day anyway. So tonight, I'm going to cook Catherine a steak, baked potato, and some baked beans and a salad for our anniversary. And I'm going to cook it out here in the lodge, all but the potatoes, and I'm cooking them in the house. I've got them in the oven, and they've been cooking for about 20 minutes since they take so long. Okay, let's get over here. We've already got the grill hot. Let's get a ribeye on it, and let's get some baked beans cooking in that new lodge small Dutch oven that we bought in Tennessee a few weeks ago. It's time we get that thing out and use it. All right, let's get in the lodge. Okay, here's the small Dutch oven that we got from Lodge when we were up in Tennessee. We're going to get that thing fired up on the little camp stove and get our baked beans in it. So we already got a can of country style baked beans, and we're going to get them in the pot. And we are going to serve them from this pot. So we're going to put the pot on the little table in there and be able to eat from the pot itself, since it's so small and it has legs on it. We're going to let those slow simmer for a few minutes, and in the meantime, can y'all see how beautiful them ribeyes are? We're going to get us a ribeye, get this thing on this grill. As of right now, it's a touch hot. We're going to get the grill up extremely hot and get them on the grill inside the old pizza oven. Remember, the pizza oven is a grill, a pizza oven, and a grill all rolled up into one. We're going to get us a good sear on both sides, and then we'll flip them back over. Oh, that already smells good, just the sear. Oh, look what we got. That beautiful hammer skillet. I love that thing. Every time I come out in the lodge, I just hold it and like to play with it. Y'all remember this hammer skillet that Cockadoodle Sue gave us. Miss Sue, I'm going to ask Catherine Green to bury this skillet with me. If I ever pass away, this skillet's going in my casket with me. I'm taking this with me. I know you're not supposed to, but this is going with me when I go. Now, quit being so crazy. All right, what do y'all think about that? Let's get this grill closed, because I want this thing to stay hot. I want it to stay somewhere around 500 degrees, 550 degrees, because it'll sear the fire out of a ribeye at that temperature. Just let them cook for a minute, and I'll give you an update. All right, went in the house, got her apron on. Do y'all remember the apron that Pitter Pat, young lady that lives in Mississippi, North Mississippi, sent us, that says Campfire and Countryside and the lodge on it? I love this apron. Let's check on these steaks. Miss Patty, thank you very much for this apron. It scares me to death to wear it. I don't want to get it dirty or get it nasty, and everything that I do, I get stuff dirty. Oh, that's a lot better. Now that thing's cooking down. We're going to let it cook for about one more minute, and we're going to get it off before we mess around and get them overcooked. Catherine and myself both, we like our steaks on the medium rare side. That's good. and get them up to a boil, and then I'm going to cut them off because they're already done. Steaks are looking good. We've got the steaks up to a little bit over 500 degrees. I can stand a little hotter than that. One thing you have to remember about steaks is everybody cooks them different. Unless you just overcook it, it's hard to cook a steak, bro. Can y'all see that smoke coming off of that grill? Oh, that smells good. All right, we got the beans up to a decent boil. We'll cut them off right there. Give them a few more seconds and we're going to snatch them off and I'll show y'all and plate it up. All right, it's time to get these things off here. Looking good.
It's okay. Just come serve it.
Baked potatoes are served. Miss Green, there's you a big baked potato.
Sour cream.
So we've got salad. We have baked beans in the little Lodge Dutch oven. Can y'all see how good those things look?
Oh, they do look good.
That thing's just right for like table serving. And let's get us a steak.
I could look like I've got some raisins. Put my pants legs out on the outside of my boot.
Can y'all see how beautiful those things turned out?
Okay. Ooh, thank you. That's fine.
Okay.
Steak is so big.
All right. Need to take my apron off. Man can't eat with an apron on. Miss Patty, thank you again for the apron. I'm gonna hang this up there. Keep it clean.
Take mine off over there.
All right. I know this video is a little bit different than working around the farm, but these are the type of videos for married people that are important. And I want y'all to understand that. Reason being, Catherine and I have been married for 31 years.
I said 31.
31 years. Now, with 31 being said, with an opportunity, I would ask Catherine to marry me again tomorrow. She's a great mother. She's a great wife. She's a great homekeeper and works harder than anybody I've ever saw in my life. She is a great woman to be married to, a great person to be your partner and spend the rest of your life with. So anything that I ever do for Catherine, it's never enough. I could never do enough to repay her for just being married to me. She has filled my life after 31 years. We're going to eat. Hey, husbands, don't forget, step your game up. If you want a wife, you have to take care of a wife. You have to make her feel like she's a wife and maintain a close relationship with her, at least as close as you can. I know men work a lot, but that's part of life. Take time for your spouse. And Catherine and I both want to say Happy Valentine's Day to everybody.
Happy
And
Valentine's Day.
I want to tell Catherine happy anniversary.
Happy
I love
anniversary.
you. And I'm ready to eat. Girl, I'm starving to death.
I'm ready to eat too. Oh, this is neat.
This little booth is the cutest thing you ever saw in your life.
We need to light that fire pit.
Well, let's let it get a little bit later and we'll light the fire pit and sit around and drink some Diet Coke and
Coffee.
and sit around the fire pit.
I don't know. Coffee may keep me awake.
There you go.
All right.
All right. As always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You should be out here with me and Catherine celebrating our 31st anniversary and celebrating Valentine's Day. And Stella. Stella wants a piece of steak too.
Yeah.
All right, let's eat, girl.
Mm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I hope it ain't overcooked.
It's not. That's not even cooked.
That's really good. Girl, I got a fire built out here. You should come over here and let me flirt with you.
I'm coming.
You are going to love this.
You know I done took my boots off. Girl's ready for the night when she takes her boots off.
I like that medicine.
Oh, do too. Ooh, I like the way it heats up in here.
It's ready. Hey. So we had a subscriber suggest that this Valentine booth turn into a kissing booth. Where you at on that? What's your thoughts on being in the kissing booth?
Turn the camera off and I'll show you.
Let me turn the camera off. All right.
You just want me to kiss you.
Life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. Y'all should be out here with me and Catherine and Stella, sitting around the fire, sitting inside the kissing booth out here by the lodge.